What's up and welcome back, guys. Today we got a great video coming at you. We are playing around with some heavy pig iron, specifically this guy. We're gonna be putting some lights on this. This whole thing just got repainted. Fired up, make it chooch. Oh boy. Yeah, he did. Alright guys, so the name of the game today is to get these lights on up here, which is an Auxbeam super duper cool light, which has got like green halos on it for some reason. And then we got to put a couple of pods on the back, which have got like these side shooter things on them, so it's going to light up the side of the machine and straight back at the same time. Then we're going to jump in this thing and play around with it a little bit and see what it's all about. So this machine, these guys bought like a little bit ago and they ended up restoring it. Zach, do you guys have any pictures of it when you bought it? Alright, so we'll put a picture of it up right now of when they bought it and then bam! So quite a difference. It's got all new paint on it, a bunch of hydraulic hoses, little plug-in things, nice layer of overspray.
That wasn't us.
That was someone else. Yeah, but quite the turnaround, as you can see. Just a great difference. Things in almost brand new condition now. Even painted inside the gas cap. Fresh grease. Did you guys have to put a new seat in it?
No, well, there was a whole, that's a whole debacle.
There wasn't a seat in it?
No, there was a seat.
It's just not, that's not the factory seat. It came with a new seat, but it's not a factory
I had a
seat.
heater in there, and your head would like hit.
Oh, yeah, that's right. There's some Jimmy rigged heater system that was in there. Something like that.
You said actually.
Alright guys, so for the backlights, we've got these guys from Auxbeam here, and what they do is, you know, just your standard light, but the one side has got a row of LEDs off the side. Theory being, put them right here, and then you're going to have a side light coming out towards us too. And I didn't know they actually made these until Luke and Zach here told me about them, but I'd love to get a set for the truck here and put them on like this, obviously, and then you could have light coming out the side too, so that'd be really slick. You can see the ones we got from last year, the who makes them? Nylite. They're already rusting out, so these things are gonna go bye-bye for next year, and we're gonna get a new set on here. So probably gonna get a set of these Auxbeams.
Oh boy.
Whoa, way! Chooch! 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 the whole purpose of this is obviously to just reinforce the bed. This is going to get welded in here at all the holes, and then around the whole outside here. It's going to get welded on. Great success. So Luke, what year is this machine? It's a 2009?
Yeah, 09.
Well, it's a PT-60.
Yeah, the PT-60, but we got the RT-60 stick wheel on there to make it look like a brand new machine.
Updated. It's just got open ROPS, open cab, rollover protection.
And the hill we're on right now, it's like we're having trouble walking on it. And like
Yeah,
we can't stop, but he can stop.
It's pretty slippery with this ice and combination of stuff.
Yeah.
Holy crap, actually.
Yeah, there's ice and then there's mud.
Ice and
then
mud.
More ice.
And then more ice. Alright, so the name of the game is to build a dam. Stop the water and create a lake. It's all EPA certified. We got our silt fence up at the end. Don't worry about it. Oh, it's getting a little wet. Dam her up and then break through the dam.
Yeah. What was that?
Dam it up and then break through the dam.
Pile up the dam.
Oh, she's bogging hard. So we just put the lights on here and the light bar on the front. That light bar might end up getting moved. Now this is kind of its maiden voyage, isn't it, Luke?
Yeah.
More or less.
We played with it a little bit when we got it, but then it came apart to get it all redone.
And pretty much everything has been repainted except for the undercarriage.
Yeah, the undercarriage is the only thing, but that doesn't matter because
it's the
give it
undercarriage.
a day and a half and it'll look the same.
It's already chooched. Oh yes, she's stopping the water. Alright, so we are now in the rig. Got throttle here. Obviously our pilot controlled joysticks, true pilot, everything up here. Light beam is a go. All for the win. Looking good. Hour meter. Rotary beacon. Oh, you can see her going up there. Let's rev this bad boy up.
Put some snow in there on that side.
the most efficient way to wash her off. A lot more GPMs this way. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video today, make sure you hit that like button and make sure you hit that subscribe button. We got the lights on, and if you guys are interested in picking up a set of those lights, go down in the description below. We'll have a link to Auxbeam's website, and big thanks to those guys for sending those out to us. So if you want to see more of the videos like this and more equipment like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys next time.